I was a gourmet chef. I went to the Culinary Institute of America. I trained in Manhattan for quite a few years. My name is Joe Lumbrazo.
And this is the Pinehurst Barbecue Festival.
We opened up the Backyard Bistro in 2009. My grandmother was a chef, my dad was a chef. This is my grandmother's stove that we used to cook on. I love the versatility of barbecue. As long as you understand flavors, understand what goes with what, you can pretty much substitute barbecue for just about anything. The evolution of man, if you don't keep up with the trends and what's going on, you can get lost behind. So we try our hardest to follow magazines, follow guys in Manhattan, not just the barbecue joints, but also the fine dining places, so we can steal some of their ideas. We have a motto here: we're building the airplane as we fly it, okay? For the Pinehurst Festival, I've been given pork belly, so what bacon comes from. So we're gonna be using this pork belly sous vide style. Sous vide is a style of cooking that holds it to a constant temperature. They use it in fine dining a lot, but they don't use it in barbecue a lot. We're gonna get it nice, tender, juicy. It is gonna be outstanding. So North Carolina is a huge barbecue state. The roots are deep here. The traditions are deep here. We're actually the only restaurant in North Carolina that was chosen 3 years in a row to represent North Carolina to cook for Congress in Washington, D.C. And we're very excited to get down there, serve the community at Pinehurst, which is a wonderful community. We've been down there quite a bit. A lot of great folks down there. Pinehurst folks, look out, we're coming.
The Pinehurst Barbecue Festival, September 3rd through the 5th. Get your tickets while they're hot.